Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we will be making markers. So for this, you need a Q-tip, a tissue paper, scissors, paint, something to store the paint in, and tape. So first take your Q-tip and cut off the one point of it. Then take your tissue paper and take a little piece of it and wrap your Q-tip around it, but leave the bud outside, as I'm doing here. Now take your tape and tape up the little piece of tissue. Now take your paint and put some of the paint inside your area to store your paint. Next, put water in it and mix it in. Take your Q-tip / marker and dip it in. Now, a pro tip is probably to take your tissue paper and remove the excess water. Now just let your Q-tip dry for a minute or two and it's time to decorate. So I'm just putting some piece of paper around my marker and making a lid for it. Now that I'm done, as you can see, it works.